Here's a herb garden we planted next to the community house. In fact, it was planted by some guests at a yoga retreat, so I thought I'd give him a video to show him how it's doing. He got here a complete carpet at a time of 2 rosemaries popping up. We had these corianders whilst there was some space. We're going to save the seed. Here's some oregano. I'll cut that back so it gets bushy. Different type of thyme, different type of thyme. Some parsley, thyme. This is the same oregano. Again, cut it back so it goes bushy. Oregano, marjoram, different type of oregano. Need to weed here. Some coriander seeds coming, lemon balm, sage, Korean anise hyssop, different type of thyme, chives, got some tarragon.